Okay, I'm going to share with you a recipe I use for my body spray. I used to get Axe for Her full of chemicals and it didn't even work. So I exercise, go to the gym, and I don't want to smell gross. So I make my own body spray with essential oils, and I get tons of compliments. People are always asking me what I'm wearing and say it smells nice. So I'm assuming it works well. Okay, I have a used Thieves essential oil blend spray bottle. Okay, this is the Thieves spray. The old bottle it used to come in, now it's white. This has been emptied a long time ago, and I use this bottle over and over. I've been using this same bottle probably 3-4 years. Okay, so what I do is, this is my base recipe. I fill it up to about here with water, okay? And then patchouli is my main oil in that. I'll put 5 or 6 drops in this little bottle. And then the second oil I love to add, I'm currently out of, it's called aromaease. It eases aromas. Okay, it's a blend. It has spearmint in it. It smells amazing mixed with patchouli, amazing. So I'll put about 4 or 5 drops of aromaease in here, and I shake it up and spray it on his body spray. If you don't have aromaease, a couple others I've tried is Loyalty Blend if you have that. I've also recently just added lemon with my patchouli, very fresh smelling. In the summertime when it's hot, I use peppermint. Peppermint is cooling, so you spray that on your sweaty body. It really cools you off in the summertime. So those are the ones I've used. You can experiment. I've tried geranium, I've tried lavender. All of them smell great. Just make sure you use patchouli as your base and you can't go wrong. Once again, the water only goes to here. Leave room for your oils. Shake it up and use it as your body spray, and it works great. So hopefully that was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.